Whoa, what is that over there? That big tub looks really weird, like there's something hiding inside it. Oh wow, this smells amazing. It looks super tasty, so I'm just going to try a little bit. Oh no! How did I suddenly get so huge like this? I'm pretty sure this has to be some kind of magic water.
A few moments later.
Hey everyone, listen up. A giant snake just slithered onto our farm. Hurry, run and get out of here right now.
Hey, wait, don't run away from me. I promise I'm not going to hurt any of you.
Hey, wait, friends, slow down. Why are you all running around like that?
A really big snake came onto our farm. It didn't attack us or anything, but we got so frightened that we just ran off.
Okay, then we just need to help that giant snake shrink back down. And once it's small again, you won't have to feel scared anymore.
All right, that sounds good. We'll do exactly what you said and help out too.
A few minutes later.
Okay, friends, take a look at this. This is the special liquid that will shrink the giant snake back down to a cute little size. Then let's not waste any more time. Come on, let's gently pour this liquid on the snake right away. Hey, Horace, it's your turn now. Go over to that snake, chat with it for a second, and then see if you can bring it back here to us.
Hey, Snake, I've got a fun question for you. Do you think you can zoom along and run just as fast as I can?
Thank you so much, everyone. I actually came to your farm to tell you about my problem, but you all got scared and ran away from me at first.
It's all right. Even though we were scared in the beginning, we calmed down, worked together, and figured out the solution all by ourselves.